guys, in this video we will talk about acid rain, how acid rain occurs, its decomposition methods and measuring of acid rain. So let's start with the acid rain. What is acid rain? What causes acid rain? Acid rain results when sulfur dioxide SO2 and nitrogen oxides NOx are emitted into the atmosphere and transported by wind and air currents. The SO2 and NOx reacts with water, oxygen and other chemicals to form sulfuric and nitric acids. These then mix with water and other minerals before falling to the ground. While the small portion of SO2 and NOx that causes acid rain is from natural sources such as volcanoes, most of it comes from burning of fossil fuels. The major source of SO2 and NOx in the atmospheres are as follows. First, burning of fossil fuels to generate electricity. Two-thirds of SO2 and one-fourth of NOx in the atmosphere comes from electric power generators. Second, vehicles and heavy equipments. Third, manufacturing, oil refineries and other industries. Winds can blow SO2 and NOx over long distances and across borders, making acid rain a problem for everyone and not just those who live close to these sources. Now we will see forms of acid depositions. There are two forms. First, wet deposition. Wet deposition is what we most commonly think of as acid rain. The sulfuric and nitric acids formed in the atmosphere fall to the ground mixed with rain, snow, fog, or hail. Second, dry deposition. Acidic particles and gases can also deposit from the atmosphere in the absence of moisture of dry deposition. The acidic particles and gases may deposit to surfaces, water bodies, vegetation, buildings quickly or may react atmospheric transport to form larger particles that can be harmful to human health. When the accumulated acids are washed off a surface by the next rain, this acidic water flows over and through the grounds and can harm plants and wildlife such as insects and fishes in it. The amount of acidity in the atmosphere that deposit to the earth through dry deposition depends on the amount of rainfall an area receives. For example, in desert areas, the ratio of dry to wet deposition is higher than an area that receives several inches of rainfall each year. Now we will see the measuring of acid rain, whether it is acidic, basic or neutral. Measuring acid rain. Acidity and alkalinity are measured using a pH scale for which 7.0 is neutral. The lower a substance pH means less than 7, the more acidic it is. The higher a substance pH means greater than 7, the more alkaline it is. Normal rain has a pH of about 5.6, slightly acidic because carbon dioxide CO2 dissolves into it forming weak carbonic acid. Acid rain usually has a pH between 4.2 and 4.4.